Why humans wants to attack other humans by lightning as witchcraft. In African traditional beliefs and myths, the idea that humans use witchcraft to attack others with lightning is usually explained through social, emotional, and spiritual reasons, not random cruelty. These beliefs help communities make sense of sudden tragedy or conflict. One major reason is jealousy and envy. When someone becomes successful, wealthy, respected, or different from others, it is often believed that jealous individuals may use witchcraft to bring them down. Lightning is seen as a powerful, terrifying force, so attributing it to witchcraft explains why harm seems sudden and targeted. Another reason is revenge and unresolved conflict. In many belief systems, witchcraft lightning is thought to be used to settle grudges, family disputes, land conflicts, or broken relationships. Instead of open confrontation, the attacker is believed to use hidden spiritual means, making lightning a symbol of secret punishment. There is also the belief in spiritual justice and control. Some people believe witches use lightning to enforce dominance, show power, or punish those who disrespect traditions or spiritual laws. In this view, lightning becomes a tool of fear and authority rather than natural weather. Finally, these beliefs often arise from a need to explain sudden, shocking deaths or disasters. When lightning kills a person or destroys a home unexpectedly, witchcraft provides a human cause, which can feel easier to understand than random chance. This does not mean the beliefs are scientifically true, but they are deeply rooted in cultural ways of explaining pain, loss, and conflict. In short, within these myths, humans are believed to use lightning through witchcraft because of jealousy, revenge, power, fear, and the need to explain tragedy, not because lightning is actually controllable by people. Witchcraft humans equals commit murder. Other person equals victim. Sangama people equals evidence.